This is how to turn Apple Airplay on and off. First, hop into the settings. Make sure it's set up properly. To get to the Airplay settings, scroll down on the main settings page, tap on General, and then tap on Apple Airplay and Continuity. Here, we have at the very top the option to automatically AirPlay. Tap on that. Make sure it's not set to never, because then you can never AirPlay. So make sure it's either on Ask or Automatic. I prefer Ask, but set the one you want. Then there's some more options here for AirPlay, because there's various types you can do. You can share what's playing on the screen of your phone. You can share the audio of your phone. So when you're playing music, you can have your phone move near your Apple HomePod, and then the music will start playing on the HomePod. Super cool feature. I have to turn that on to make that available. You have the option to keep audio with headphones. So even when other devices connect to your phone, the audio that is being played stays with your headphones if you toggle that on. There's a handoff option. This means you can start something on one device and continue on another. For example, you could be writing a note in the Notes app, and then when this is active, there'll be a little Notes app icon in the dock of your laptop or your iMac that you can then tap on, and then you can carry on that note on a different device. It makes life really easy in a lot of cases. And you can use your iPhone as a webcam for your Mac if you have this toggled on. So once we have all these set how we want to, some of them just have to be near a device for it to work. But for AirPlay, usually you have to then go to your control center and then tap on this double rectangle icon to turn on AirPlay. If you don't see that there, tap in the top left, and then that will open the control panel editing interface. Tap on Add a Control, and screen mirroring's right here. If you can't see it on the list, just search for it up here and you'll find it. You can add it to the screen, and then when you tap on it, it'll pick up nearby devices that you can screen mirror to. Screen mirror just means AirPlay. And then tap on the device you want to connect to, and your screen's going to be mirrored to that device. This works really well with an Apple TV, I've found. That's my favorite way to use this, but there's lots of different use cases for it. I hope this video helps you. If it does, like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out the video on your screen right here, which shows you how to empty the trash can on your iPhone. If you've never done it, you got to do it on a regular basis. So check out that video, and I'll see you there.